Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Chanute, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move takes you over 50 miles from your current location. A long distance move can happen either inside the same state, intrastate, or across state lines, interstate. 3 Movers provides both interstate and intrastate long distance moving services. We can operate within or across state borders because we have done all the necessary registration with the authorities in charge of relocation. We have valid licenses to move your belongings over long distances, so we experience no issues. Also, we have fantastic insurance plans in place to cover your items during the entire period of the move. We train all of our staff, from our customer agents to movers and drivers. Expect top-notch professionalism and expertise when you hire our services. Local relocations happen over a distance of 50 miles or less. Although the space is lesser when compared to long-distance moves, you should also make preparations and plans and hire efficient movers. You don't have to look too far to get competent movers. 3 Movers has the best local movers in Chanute. Our services are punctual, reliable, and efficient, and our team is always ready to help with the transportation of your belongings. We also offer cheap rates for local moves. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chanute Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.